Are you ready for this one? 16 Chevy Equinox. And yes, it does have the 2.4 liter Ecotech engine. So we come over here to the computer, and the customer states portion of this is general inspection. All cars get a general inspection. It's got an ABS light on. It's got a loud noise coming from it when they're driving and idling, and really poor acceleration. And I can tell you right now, after bringing it in, it's definitely got a loud noise. So check this out. Decker climb up the ladder, and we're gonna start it. Listen. You guys hear that? All right, that's one noise. All right, AC is on. Go ahead and turn the AC off. That's interesting too, huh? AC is supposed to be off, but man, look at that. All right, turn the AC on. The clutch on the AC doesn't seem to be wanting to let go. Barely letting go and causing a grinding sound. So that's the one noise. That tinging sound, that's a different noise though. I believe the tinging sound is coming from the cat. So that would explain their lack of power concern and the noise. The way to know for sure is to unbolt the kitty. Have a look. Alright, you can go ahead and shut it off. I took the gamble and went ahead and used the Sawzall to cut the pipe. And the cat is definitely broken. So cut the pipe here. Let's come around and take a peek at the cat. Let's see. So if we move the pipe out of the way, you can see right there. Look at that honeycomb. So if we come up here and focus, I can move the whole inside of the cat. That's not good. I don't think it's supposed to do that. I'm definitely going to say that is our noise right there. So if I take and move it with a screwdriver, you can definitely hear it. Right now I'm going to say the Equinox is going to need a cat, and it's going to need an AC compressor and or a clutch, depending on what route we end up taking and whatever's cheapest.